Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick and easy 5-minute tutorial, we will show you how to create a DIY hair accessories organizer especially designed for kids. If you are tired of searching for hairbands and hair accessories every time your little one needs to get ready, then this is the perfect solution for you. Using simple materials that are easily available, we will guide you through step-by-step instructions to make an efficient hair accessories organizer. Say goodbye to messy drawers and tangled hairbands. Not only in this project incredible practical, but it also a fun and creative DIY activities for you and your child to enjoy together. Encourage their organizational skill and let their creativity shine through as they assist you in making their very own hair accessories organizer. By having all their hairbands, clips, accessories neatly organized in one place, your child will save valuable time getting ready while also minimizing the risk of misplacing their favorite hair accessories. Plus, these organizers add a touch of cuteness and personalization to any kid's room or bathroom counter. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a beginner, this tutorial is perfect for you. Join us now and let's get started on this exciting and practical project. Your child will love showcasing their well organized hair accessories collection. subscribe to our channel for more useful DIYs and creative ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and feel free to leave any questions or suggestion in the comment section below. Get ready to transform your hairband organization game with this fantastic hair accessory organizer tutorial for kids. Let's make mornings breeze with this quick DIY project. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.